Hello.
Level 1, Uptown Swing.
That's right, Peter.
Ready.
So, here's what we did. First, we just did this little footwork practice. We did rock, step, bang, rock, step, bang, just to get you into the groove with that quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we did the scoops this way. Then we scooted this way. Those scoots are our triple steps. It goes like this. Rock, step, scoot. Rock, step, scoot. They just replace that slow. Scoot. You could say it like this if you wanted to. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Same as quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And because you all took a class with us, you're not just watching this randomly, you can just practice this footwork all night. We have the leaders start with their left foot.
Followers start with their right.
And we're just going to do it this way one time, just show you how it looks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just do it in place. This is your homework. Do this a bunch. Get good at this. Here are the steps we did. Connected up in closed position, just like this. My hand under, her hand over. And then we did the flip flop. It goes like this. Flip. And then flop. You might have guessed. Rock, step, triple step, rock. I'll show you over here. We did the yo-yo. Boing. This is the reverse yo-yo. None of these are real steps, they're just practice steps. And then we did BAM! A shaky, shaky, shake, that's the actual step. And that was it. Doodly-doo. Hey!